Hey there, welcome to my virtual diary. My name is Hannah and I'm a Filipina living in Sofia, Bulgaria with my husband Bess. Join me as I navigate my mid-20s in an unfamiliar place while finding balance between life and work. In today's vlog, come join us explore Osaka! It's our first time in Japan and we're so excited. I'll be sharing our daily itinerary and I have more travel tips, so stay tuned and enjoy!
Kansai 国際空港にようこそ。ただいまの現地時刻は午後3時52分でございます。
For transportation, we added the virtual Suica card on our Apple Wallet. It's a prepaid e-money card that they use here for transportation and shopping. Suica card is mainly used in Tokyo, and here in Osaka they have Ikoka card, but they can be interchanged. You can buy the physical cards from the JR stations, but we prefer the virtual card since you can reload it directly from your phone as long as you have an internet connection and you don't have to queue. The hotel that we booked is a 10-minute walk from Shinsaibashi Station and an 18-minute walk from Dotonbori. It's located in a quiet neighborhood and the hotel has a cafe restaurant on the first floor, a rooftop bar on the 20th floor, public bath, spa, and laundry room on the 19th floor. Check-in was smooth since we already paid online, and there's an amenity stand where you can get your amenities such as coffee, tea, comb, hair tie, and many more as they don't put it in your room. We booked a double room with a size of 146 square feet. It has a desk, TV, and its own bathroom. It has a stand-up shower area. We paid 447 leva and 25 sutinki for 3 nights and 4 days. That's including taxes and fees. I booked it on booking.com since we have a 10% genius discount and they also have an early 2025 sale that time that I booked. Keep in mind that room rates vary per season and by how far in advance you booked the room. We just freshened up and now we're going to have dinner at Dotonbori. We're going to look for something to eat. We're in Japan.
Time for
First meal in Osaka. Takoyaki, of course. Is it good?
good.
You like it?
I love it. Now it should be our forever combo. Takoyaki and then ramen.
Yeah. And we're going to get ramen
Always
shortly.
having that. I'm very scared not to go out. Richness. Rich.
It's dessert recommendation, the one that has outline.
What did you circle?
Medium. He's copying my homework, you guys.
Yeah. What is that? Drop garlic.
Like garlic, if you want medium, drop.
I don't even know what that means.
I don't know, I just drop. Drop. Money.
I'm scared not to go out of those lines. Green onion. I want green onion.
Yeah, me too.
Casheroya with spicy.
I put mild.
I'll put no.
What?
Not in a mood for spice.
And then medium.
That's it?
Yeah, that should be 2.
3?
Oh, yeah. Ah, for every item. Okay, good. Let's go.
前を失礼いたします。お客様、前を失礼いたします。少々お待ちくださいませ。失礼いたします。いらっしゃいませ。これでありがとうございます。時計とお題用紙をお預かりいたします。
Hello, neighbor. So you press that down and then you show them these. Those things.
お待たせいたしました。
ありがとうございます。
それではお客様失礼いたします。お待たせ。
My face.
Like, you'll be surprised. Clean Bowl Club. I'm done eating and she's still eating. So good. Did it ever came to your mind that we'll be walking
Absolutely never.
here?
I really haven't thought this will happen to me so fast.
You see? Oh yeah.
In the Toyota.
I want this one tomorrow. Now? Look at the line. We got them.
Oh, I got my favorite one, the R32. Oh, no. That's actually the GTR, the R35. That's awesome.
I got Yakult. It's been how many years since I last drank Yakult? 2 years. Good morning from Osaka. We're going to get
Wifey's choice of clothes. It's 0 degrees.
It's fine.
I'm freezing.
I was born in a cold country, a very cold country, you know. Enough. We're going to Family Mart to get everything looks good. Getting it. I'm getting it. Do you want?
Yeah, I
Cheers.
can try it.
So good. We're walking to Osaka Castle. It's a 30 minutes walk from our hotel.
So we decided to explore.
Good morning. It's just 8 o'clock. I think they're still closed. We're here at the Osaka Castle Park.
Feels surreal. It's so calm. Look, it's so quiet.
It's the calm before the storm.
Even though it's maybe rush hour, it's so.
We bought the Osaka Amazing Pass on Klook for 2 days since we still have 2 full days here, and it can be used for unlimited transportation and entrance on almost 40 attractions in Osaka. Hi!
So you're telling me you can influence?
Yeah. We paid 68 euros and 58 cents for 2 people. I added the link on the description box below and the entrance fees for the facilities that we entered or used if we paid separately. We took the stairs. I'm catching our breath. Remember the number? It's number 14. Yeah. And then return the stick. He paid and got his fortune.
What are you doing now? You're opening this now. Wow. Looks good. Can I see?
You can get it at the information desk downstairs. Yeah. Oh yeah? Let's see. This is a well roof. Oh, I'm scared. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This is well roof. Look how long the line is now. Hi!
This branch.
So cute. We just redeemed our ticket for the boat ride, for the Osaka-jo Gozabune Boat ride. You show your Osaka Amazing Pass over there and redeem the tickets. On the boat.
To not drop the life jacket.
Enjoying? That's good. No. Now we're entering the plum garden around the Osaka Castle. We're at the plum garden around Osaka Castle. The castle there.
Pretty high.
Oh no.
It's so terrifying.
Wow. So pretty. My feet are trembling right now. Let's see if I would still want to go to those coffee shops that I go to when we go back home.
Ah, with the magic. Is that our first one here in Japan? We had somewhere yesterday.
I got Yakult yesterday. And we had Coke for dinner.
We had at the airport. Qatar.
Oh yeah, at Starbucks. Hi. Holding on for my dear life. Hi. Just kept on saying hi, hello, the whole time. We're going up this bridge because Bess wants to see it up close. Yeah, you said you wanted to. Oh yeah, so nice. This came from that building, Umeda Sky Building.
It's a really cool bookshop.
身を乗り出したり、物を立てかけたりしないでください。
Again. Got coffee at 6 p.m.
Yeah, me too. I don't know why. I feel very fresh, but I got coffee.
I need to
Life is
recharge.
invested, I agree.
I need to recharge. We're back at the hotel. Oh my gosh. I'm up since 4:30 a.m. and it's currently past 6 p.m. So we're gonna drink coffee. I'm gonna recharge my phone and I'm gonna recharge my feet. Then we're going out again. Oh no. Okay, I thought this was a paper straw. Oh, this is so cool. I got salted caramel latte. Iced salted caramel latte. From Dutour, I think. It's Dutour. Let's unbox what I got. Let's unbox the first thing I got here. An adapter.
You have to be kidding me.
Wait, what? What? Okay. Okay, let me charge your phone, babe. That's it, bye. He went shopping and now he's going to eat onigiri.